How to enable in-flight encryption via the PowerProtect data manager. Start by logging into the PowerProtect manager using your administrator username and password. To make sure you get the correct options for these steps, make sure you're running PowerProtect Manager 19.11 and above. Once you're on the GUI's main menu, navigate to the gear settings icon on the upper right of the screen. Expand the menu and then click on Security. In the security menu, you should see the options Backup, Restore, Encryption. Make sure this is enabled by clicking the slider so it's on the right and then click on Save to save the settings. In-flight encryption is now enabled, so the data transfer is encrypted while in flight during backup and restore operations. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.